Hey guys, so this is the look that I'm going to teach you how to do today. If you guys like it, keep on watching. We're going to go with burnt orange and put it all over the crease. So after taking burnt orange, we're going to take Lucius and we're going to try not to go over because that's where the burnt orange is mostly. But we're just going to stay in the crease. The dog keeps howling outside. Apparently we have a coyote problem around our neighborhood. We're gonna keep blending in between those two colors. And if you need to add more burnt orange right here, you can do that. Okay, now that I have the color to my liking, I'm going to actually take the Marc Jacobs 40 Mirage filter. And I know it's for contour. I'm gonna actually put it on this edge. So I'm actually going to take Primavera from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and we're going to put it right there. And I'm not going to cut crease or anything because we want it to blend and flow kind of together without cut creasing it with setting spray. And we're going to put it right there. Now I'm going to take that brush, the blending brush that we were working on, and we're going to take that Marc Jacobs brown color again. We're going to put it on the edge right here and blend the two colors together. Clean any fallout that you have under your eye. And do the same thing with the other. Okay, so we're going to take that burnt orange. Now we're going to take the Lucius color, Shade and Light palette, and we're going to add it all the way, just at the end, just from here to the end. I'm gonna go with the brown color from the Marc Jacobs. The Lucius color comes up here, but we're gonna actually do the brown color only right there. We're gonna put this gold color all the way up here, up to there. So from here to there, here to now we're going to clean again any fallout. And what I'm going to do to add a little bit of color, I'm going to add that blue-green shimmery color from the HudaBeauty palette. We're going to put it in the inner corner. It reminds me of Jasmine from Aladdin. So I'm going to take Primavera, and I know we put it on the lid, but we're going to put it right here in the eyebrow. So we're going to take this blending brush and we're going to blend it all out. I'm going to go put my eyelashes on and then I will be right back. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it and I will see you in my next videos. Bye guys. Can you come down?
Yeah. Just give me 1 second.
I won't film you, I promise. He's camera shy.
Anything Nicki Minaj would love.
Hey, now it's your...
Like for France or whatever?
No, I'm not doing it anymore.
Oh, okay, so what do you do?
I don't have the colors. So this is the look that I'm gonna teach you. Hey guys, so this is... What's this? No. So loud. Okay.
Okay.
And I'll see you in my next video.